Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a NAS server with your old computer. So first you want to open your browser of choice and then search for TrueNAS. You can get the TrueNAS. I'm going to get TrueNAS Scale and click this download button. Also make sure it's the first. It could be the first link, it could be the second. Now register, but I already registered, and download. But I've already downloaded it. So let's first look for the specs. If we know Look, 2-core 64-bit Intel processor, 8 GB of RAM, 16 GB of SSD boot, 16 GB SSD boot drive. You can use a 16 GB USB drive, but yeah. So recommended is 16 GB of RAM. So you want to now that you got the ISO, you want to make a bootable USB drive. But since I don't really have a real computer, since I don't have an actual computer to do it on, if you want to make a bootable USB, you search roofers and then click this link and then click this. Should start downloading. I already have roofers. So now oh yeah, I moved it. Wonder if I can I'm just gonna access it from my actual computer. Now, and it has to be USB if you're using, you have to have UEFI if you have an NVMe drive, which I really do. Anyway, so it should be here. Now click on the first one and then hopefully it would start booting up. Now I should be able to literally pause this, which I could, so, and it doesn't even work, so this should be working, but I'm just gonna stop recording. If you are on this screen, good. Now select the first option and then OK. Now install it on your NVMe, SSD or USB flash drive. And if this says And if there was something like that, just click continue. It doesn't really matter, just use administrative user. Type in a password for your administrative user. Now it's gonna start installing. So if you're on this screen, take out the installation media, which means like take it out, and then select the third option and restart. Now that you're here, click the first option, and you should be loading in right now. This clip has only been 40 seconds. I'll wait. Alright, this looks good, so that means it's turning on now. I'll just be back when it's done. If you're here, that's great. Now you want to get off your PC and go to your browser of choice and type in the IP address that was shown there. So type in this IP address. Now the username is admin and the password is the password that you set. Now go to storage, then create pool, and name it whatever you want, and then click next. Next. None of this really matters. Just keep clicking next. Now, I don't really know how to fix this. I was just literally messing around and it fixed itself, I guess. Edit. Now create a pool. Now if those disks have important data, before clicking create pool, back up that data. But if it doesn't, just click create pool. Now I will be back when it's done. Now finally that the pool is done, click manage dataset and add a dataset. Now name it literally anything and share type to SMB if you have Windows. Now I'm just gonna come back. Well, it's done now. So now, before you want to do anything, create a new group. And you might as well create a new group named, if you use it. Now create a new group and then create a local user. Now type in your full name. And then type in your username, then your email, then your password, then your password again. Now don't create a new primary group and put it in a group that you will have. Now that you got another user, go to shares, SMB share, then click on your share, click on your data preset and click save and enable the service to start automatically. Edit file system ASL, add an item, group, home user, permission full control, and save the control list. Now should I come? Yeah, I'll be back when it's done. Now that it's done, you want to go to your File Explorer and go to Network. Now, hopefully when this loads, I should be seeing 2 of those true NASes. Hopefully, if it loads, I should be able to access it. Now, you might be able to access it because it would be that true NAS. Now make it whatever drive letter and then do / the IP address that it has, and then the folder that's shared. And now I am able to access it. And you can transfer a file to it. And there, your NAS server is ready. This is the end of the video. Bye.